of us has experienced moments when we've wanted to reach someone fast. Often we just couldn't wait to share good news with family or friends. Or on especially busy days, it seemed like there just weren't enough hours in the day. We tried to make every second count. Then, once in a while, an emergency comes up. It can happen anytime. And when it does, seconds can make a crucial difference. So whether we're happy, busy, or in need of emergency help, we all need speedy, mistake-proof dialing. And so do our customers. Well, Western Electric has found an answer to this problem. It's called the Touch-O-Matic 12. These are the Touch-O-Matic 12s. They can dial any of 12 pre-recorded numbers at the touch of a single button. And since you touch only one button, it's incredibly fast. And because the number is pre-recorded, you won't make a dialing error. As you can see, the Touch-O-Matic 12 is sleek and attractive, a nice addition to any home or office decor. It's available in the same colors as our trimline phones. While the Touch-O-Matic 12 has been especially designed for our residence customers, you'll find that many business customers will want them as well. The TAM-12 will not work, however, on a key system. Residents and business customers will find this new dialer to be reasonably priced. It's connected by the customer himself, so there's no installation charge. Just a one-time only special equipment charge and a low monthly fee. For that fee, our customers receive a compact and versatile unit. It can be used with any modular single-line desk set, including design line phones, and can be moved from one phone to another without losing the recorded memory. And because the TAM-12 is a genuine Bell product, built into it is the same high quality that keeps our phones working year after year. Should a problem occur with the Touch-O-Matic 12, it is covered by the traditional Bell lifetime maintenance guarantee. Part of the convenience of the TAM-12 is the ease with which the customer can connect and program it himself. Let me show you what I mean. First, disconnect the telephone cord from the base of the telephone set. Then remove the battery cover from the bottom of the Touch-O-Matic 12. Take the line that you disconnected from the phone set and put it into the socket marked line at the base of the dialer. The small plastic hook will hold this cord in place. Then take one end of the TAM-12 cord and plug it into the socket at the base of the telephone set. Take the other end of the TAM-12 cord and plug it into the socket marked phone at the base of the dialer. This cord is also held in place by the small plastic hook. Next, connect the battery by snapping on the connections like this. Then insert the battery like so. By the way, the TAM-12 comes with this regular 9-volt alkaline battery. It should last for about 1 year. After that, the customers replace the batteries themselves. They will know the battery is weak when they press a recorded number button and the normal series of beeps cannot be heard. The old battery will serve to retain the memory of program numbers, but it should be replaced as soon as possible, because when the battery goes completely dead, all the numbers will have to be re-recorded. During replacement, the numbers will be kept for the short period it takes to put the new battery in. With the battery in position, replace the battery cover by sliding it in and snapping it into place. The dialer is now connected. Simple, isn't it? Customers just take it home and plug it in. Recording numbers into the dialer is even easier. The first step in recording is to list the names and numbers to be called. Remove the faceplate from the top of the dialer and take the directory sheet out. Write on the directory sheet the names and numbers to be called. The TAM-12 comes with special color code dots. These are used to highlight certain numbers, for instance, red for the fire department. Simply place a dot next to the number to be highlighted. The directory sheet is erasable and can be used over and over. Now replace the directory sheet on the face of the dialer, and you're ready to begin recording. First, depress and release the record on-off button at the top of the dialer. You'll hear a constant tone. Remember, the tone is coming from the dialer, not from the telephone set. Next, press the numbered button next to the directory position where you have written the number you want to record. Now record the telephone number into the dialer by dialing the phone number using the dialer buttons. For example, let's say you're using button number 1. At that position, you've already written the word fire. Remember, begin by pressing the record on-off button and then the position 1 button. Next, dial in the correct telephone number for the fire department. Let's say it's 555-1622. You will hear a beep for each digit. Now press the record on-off button once again to end the recording process. In order to enter further numbers, simply repeat this procedure for each number. By the way, recorded numbers can be changed at any time, even while talking on the phone. The other person won't hear a thing. Having completed the directory sheet, I now want to change a recorded number. Erase the old name and number from the directory sheet and write in the new. Then record the new number on the dialer. The old number will automatically be replaced by the new one, even if the new number has fewer or more digits. If you wish to remove a number from memory without entering a new one, simply press the record on-off button. Depress the button next to the number you wish to remove, and then press the record on-off button again. When you've completed the recording process, replace the faceplate cover. As you can see, the bottom notch of the cover fits into the dialer. By flexing the cover plate, you can guide it into the top notch, allowing it to snap into place. The faceplate protects against accidentally hitting the record on-off button and erasing numbers. Now that we've connected and programmed the Touch-O-Matic 12, let's take a look at the ways in which it can serve our customers. And let's talk about who these customers are likely to be. Well, for one thing, our studies indicate that customers with higher than average telephone bills are likely to want a Touch-O-Matic 12. These customers tend to have 2 or more premium phones and have annual incomes of over $25,000. Secondary interest in the Touch-O-Matic 12 is likely to come from those customers with incomes between $10,000 and $25,000. These customers usually have one traditional phone in the home. This information is given you to help you size up potential customers, but by no means limit yourself to these categories. After all, with its speed and convenience, the TAM-12 could appeal to almost anyone. Now let's take a look at those customers who may find the TAM-12 useful based on product benefits. For the parents of small children, single button dialing can be especially useful. Emergency buttons can be pointed out to a babysitter, as well as a number where the parents can be reached that day or evening. The sitter can reach both parents and emergency services in seconds. I might add that even small children can be taught to dial quickly, using the color dots on the faceplate for recognition. The TAM-12 could be a lifesaver for elderly or disabled people who may have difficulty dialing a regular telephone set. By touching one button, these customers are in touch with the help they need. By the same token, friends or family of such people can use the Touch-O-Matic 12 as a speedy and convenient method of checking to make sure that everything is all right. And for busy people, the Touch-O-Matic 12 is a valuable tool. Customers who are active in community organizations often call numbers on a frequent basis. The TAM-12 will allow them to do so in a speedy and efficient way. Professional, technical, and small business people must make calls frequently, and this new dialer represents a low-cost way for them to add speed and efficiency to their daily activities. By the way, since it can record up to 16 digits in each of the memory positions, customers who make frequent long-distance calls will find the Touch-O-Matic 12 to be particularly useful. Then, of course, there are those customers who express annoyance with having to remember telephone numbers, repeatedly dial wrong numbers, or complain about the time it takes to place a call. Well, this is it, the Touch-O-Matic 12. It's inexpensive, easy to install, and simple to use. Once in place, it adds a measure of security and convenience that will appeal to a broad range of our customers. It's a good product, and frankly, we're proud of it. Let's tell our customers that.